painted. You can't see it because she's on the floor.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Tell me, did you make this yourself?
Yes, yeah, I went myself. Celebrate Halloween in Dracula's Castle.
What? Okay, jealous, right? And this is actually leather run. You're not just walking around here and This
so what he's saying is you smell like a cow.
A sweaty, pillaging cow. Yeah. That won't take no for an answer when it comes to revenge. Yeah. You really dedicated this. Like, what's going on here on the side of your head? It seems as if the runes of the gods are propelling wisdom and goodwill onto your battles.
It's a totally permanent tattoo, which lasts about a week.
Hey, awesome!
Love it. Come and stand close to the front here so everyone else can admire too. And be exposed.